my name is Fran, I'm from Wales and I work for the Eco Schools programme in Wales. Directly, I think, because we already do a similar activity with the CO2e and sorting food, but I really like then that kind of unpicking, well, where does that figure come from? And so looking at, rather than just telling the students about there is a transport chain, there is a processing chain, this is all happening, to get them to do the thinking first of all, and then to explore that and to look at the complexities of it a little bit more, rather than just being, this is the figure, so we should or should not eat this, I think is a really lovely addition to what we do already, and to underpick sort of the science and why it's important, but also why it's complex and why we don't, it's not a definite choice, this or that. There's shades of grey, nuances that are interesting, and I don't think currently I explore that enough, and I would like to do more with that. And I think the activities where we're looking at the extreme events and how they impact on a local area and society, and how then you have to cooperate to be able to make changes, is useful, I think, for young people, because there's sometimes a narrative that young people have to do to make the changes. They will fix the problem. They're the new generation coming through, so it's up to them to do this kind of thing. And I think showing them that they're not the only stakeholders in this, and that there are other generations that should take responsibility in making change, even if the change and rate of change isn't as rapid as could potentially be for younger generations.